Cast on 37 stitches on the knitting needles 0.2. Join the stitches in the circle. Place the stitch marker. Work with knit stitches 9 cm. On each needle 18 stitches. For the left hand, place the stitch marker counting 2 stitches on the left. The first row, transfer on the needle 0.4 and work knit stitches till the marker. Transfer the marker over and make an increase, put the yarn from. The rest stitches work with knit stitches. The second row, work all knit stitches, but the yarn over work through the back loop. When the yarn at the beginning is on the right, it is the palm. For the right palm, place the marker counting 2 stitches on the right, the first row, 2 knit stitches. Yarn back and make a yarn over in front, the rest knit stitches. The second row, all knit stitches, work the yarn over through the front loop. Further alternate the first and the second rows 19 times. Work 2 knit stitches and transfer 10 stitches on the additional yarn. Further work all knit stitches. Work in this way 11 cm if you count from the thumb. The first row, 1 knit stitch. Work 2 stitches together through the front loop. Further work with knit stitches till the extreme 3 stitches. Turn 2 stitches and work 2 stitches together through the back loop, 1 knit stitch. Repeat the same from the other side. The second row, work all knit stitches. The third and the fourth rows, work as the first and the second rows. Now make the decreases in each row until it remains 8 stitches. Transfer all the stitches on the tapestry needle with yarn and tighten. Count 5 stitches and transfer them on the knitting needles. On each knitting needle, take 2 stitches on. Work all knit stitches, but the extended stitches work through the front loops. Work all rows with knit stitches, work in this way 6 centimeters. The first row, 1 knit stitch, work 2 stitches together through the front loop, 1 knit stitch. Turn the stitches and work 2 stitches together through the back loop, 1 knit stitch. The same procedure make with stitches on the other knitting needle. The second row, work 2 stitches together through the front loop, 1 knit stitch. Turn 2 stitches and work them through the back loop. The same procedure make on the other knitting needle. Transfer all the stitches on the tapestry needle with yarn and tighten. Introduce the yarn in the needle and sew so there are no holes.